Hello guys, this is Sean from CNC. As you can see, this is one professional flame pipe cutting machine, mainly used for cutting the heavy and round pipes. It's made for our Korean clients. It's ready for shipping. And it's not only cut with flame, but also can be installed with the plasma source or fiber laser source, or no problem. All can be optional according to your requirements. The chuck diameter up to 500 millimeter. The cutting length up to 12 meters. If you want a machine like this, you can drop message to get in touch with me to learn more, to get the free quote. We hope to give you the best price and good configurations. I have engaged in this industry more than 10 years. At least you will lose nothing after you checking with me, okay? I hope you can be happy and peaceful in future. See you next time. Bye bye.